Hello dear friends of the folded sheet, I'm Tevin from Tevin's Origami Instructions, and today I'll show you this simple origami fish for kids. It just needs a quadratic sheet of paper. Any paper will do the trick, and we will need to do one cut or slice in the process of this model, so maybe it's for older kids or you need to supervise the kid while doing this. I'm using a dual colored piece of paper. There will be a white head of the fish and a green body, but you can use unicolored paper as well. First of all, I'm marking the middle with a diagonal folding, and I'm just pinching in the center. You can also completely fold and then fold the corner towards the center of the piece of paper, like shown here. Take your time to arrange it. You could also help the kids by making an X or a dot at the center of the paper. Then we turn the whole thing over, and what we want to do is fold towards the center like this. And again, for this I'm doing a pinch mark here in the center of the white head area here, so I'm aligning all the edges like this, and I'm pinching down below here. So now I have a crease mark here, and there I fold upwards and I align the edges here, so I know that I have a rectangular crease. And I'm doing the same thing on the other side. There it's much easier because I can just align the edges down below here, just like this, and then I fold away from myself. That is why I keep turning the paper so much, in case you're wondering. So now we've done that, we fold the whole thing here in half and bring the green edges together like this. And we do the same thing on the other side. So we open this up again, we turn the paper so we can fold away from ourselves, and we align the green edges just like this. And now we have an exact mark where we need to cut. We cut the lower diagonal, so we cut from the corner to where the two creases meet, exactly here. There you go. And then we recrease the folds we just made like this, and now I'm turning the paper again so I can fold away from myself. So this triangular flap here, I take this and fold it up. This is the big fin of the fish, and I do the same thing on the lower part of the model too. So I fold down this flap here, crease, flatten the whole thing, and now the last few steps is we take those green squares here and we fold them towards the big fish fins, and we fold them so a little bit is left over. This is the back of the fish, so the thing that is reaching over the body of the fish will be the side fins of the fish, and the exact angle doesn't matter. This is now what I did, and now I'm just doodling a nice big eye and a smile on it, and then we're already done a nice fish. I hope you enjoyed this instruction. See you next time. Bye bye.